Yo, I have flown yet here for and Ray and Chamo. Moson for Ghana ba and Mono and Ray, Nina Ghana, your Baba Chichi Ghana Hunkomo, Niasha Ghana, the ye and in Kanko, the Tembremu who you have, not any bonnet. Minia out free NDC and Minia free MPP. In our Munia communicators and in Roma Bessia, your Besha send your bay out of my Ghana at Becoso. Send your bay of my Ghana at Becoso. And to me, Sambrano, Mamma free NDC, what one it send a bay so free MPP, so all one day. When your friend DC.
Pachania. Good evening to the cherished listeners. Michiamunina. Patrome made the Prince Kwekuto Siafa. I am a person from PK to Siafa. Now it's simple. They represent me, a former voter regional youth organizer aspirant. Medin Kuni Basto, ye party Juma. Ye party face, ye party Juma. Because I want to know the workroom, the Yasem Kitchuma. This answers to your party, Juma. And to pick to see a fanane, Dino.
Patrick Odesheba Okumi, Okankwe Central Communication Officer, and a member of the MPP Communication Team for Greater Accra.
Yeah, Mr. Oku. Oku Junior. Commander 1 Junior. La Junior. Oh, there we say, we share the ranking.
Oh, it's not about
I'm talking about ranking.
Okay. He's such a dynamic board.
As therefore, you better was saying, you are see other within for Nina said, I can't know, Ghana or my Ghana, and one said, Moson for Ghana, and a Motuno and Ray, send a Ghana, you better send a Ghana, because and then in Kanko, and anyway, Yakumu. It's Muya, see, and then in I or my Ghana. Joe, Minia PP, and Minia DC, and then some wherever Boston, being the truth behind Napo. That's what we're going to discuss. You, Minia, Mr. Awuku, Yansem Reno, Monamo Abemu, me Mr. TFU, so that you tell us more about Napo and Ashafo and Sunia.
You are my main fan check, say, my Yahifo near Tifu. Now, me now was so for this opportunity, say, many a quenya say no, meet me. Aka enema pa aye nana adodanko akufu ado na MPP aban eye ni emu nokre friend because I have discovered one thing of late say wo hwe obi anim edin tro kire na what you say one it means say ubu nipa so ejimi fo wo hwe obi anim kan nokre edin tro kire na it means ubu nipa so ejimi fo only respect be the money panel. Therefore, so when you are say yeah, you try your best so be kanokre actually Ghana for. Now, Emra MPP ye born to us so yeah manifesto highlight. At the end that's when it's an agenda for jobs. So bana ye bano. Ye buta ye see and soon say ye be pese ye mabunu ebenya adwuma aye Ghana fo benya adwuma aye okay it is also MPP per our track record emna omampanyin kufuo eba in 2000 ye ba ya pen we were able to launch YEA what you say and also so here an agenda for job creation so the be ya mabunu ebenya kwan ya mabinu ko community policing ni ade ni nyina was a model bia and as initiative be MPP na de bae and the MPP ye party be abia ye ba ye hwe niema bia e betimi aye de abo ankora ye Ghana fo ma na se wo hwe omaimu ane ye ti ene empempeso ye koduru ye se abanda da wo so timi fizi employment enu ntie nuanu ma wi university and the polytechnics from 2014, 2015, 2016 because there was no employment. Okay? Now, am I doing papers because it's unemployed graduate association?
Wow.
It's been said that woman is unprecedented. And looking at all these things, Nana do Fato knows say minya kwenya ne badia. I will make sure say meya niema e beti niema Ghana mabru enye adwumaye. Okay, now you were short-term measures and now your long-term measures. That's how you plan it. Now, Nana do bote is in so pesa Ghana. You move from say you export raw materials, okay, to whereby you be buy production. It is Ghana to be an industrial country. And now, abandon the sin and say, obe kreti, and I say you be say. Every district be a bit at least one factory. And I can also tell you, it's a topic that will come there, but me the
okay.
Okay. Until now, we need to have a system. We have babu, we school. Now, oko pedumaya. Among the things that companies every free home, and baby sao is about your working experience. Okay, and now NAPCO should be about with 7 models. Say, young for engage your youth now.
4 models.
Me pacho wouldn't want Mr. Go and find out. Do your research.
4 models. Educate Ghana, any Ghana.
Do you have the guitar Ghana? You don't have it.
Oh, they didn't.
Please, we didn't trust.
We didn't trust it is.
We didn't trust. You understand? Intimino say, Abano deal with 7 models. I engage in Mabuna no more trifia no munya Jumanyan. And in yes, I will move back when I say that year lunch program a Wednesday. No, you Timinia go for interview or more. I brand here back was what for 7 solid years. Unya Juma what application more than 100. What core interviews and still it comes to naught. And just imagine, sir, I'm a parent and I know how it is. Say, squeeze water out of stone to make sure say timia ko school room pempenso bi. Now ubanu bekwa ko wie school that for about bed president could be physical on atomano. And abayino who say let us create a system. That is why abana introduced this system yabai. Timia engaging mabru maku 100,000 on the 1st of November almost 30 years juma. What you say? And by the time a 3-year model, by the time 3 years in the Besuno, 1 they have gained experience. 2, by that time now by the motor there will be a factory in each district. No, so I am ready to absorb them.
That's after the 3 years, you know.
What I say? They are not going to come back home to sit down again. No, because by that time they will be ready for the job market. And this is a government a vision to make sure that Ghana for enter fear.
Okay.
And one argument and this for year Mr. Pa and say person mabuna scarnation is 767 anything. No, that's the argument they are making. But the point here, I'm a person and say, okay, then you are not a proper communicator. But the hecklers, you should know the hecklers. What you say? 1, say Omampani Mahama, a commands Nabu, sister cities. A man near Praco, music accept you Muslim ni and yen Praco. Now, so a man near Praco, a man nuntino the by Parliament Bachelor, sister cities. Can you imagine the number of Praco 700 cities can buy? Oh, so on the can him. On I didn't buy it. What do you say? And I can tell you, say. A buying way at the essential way, but Sunday buy a reduce the unemployment rate in the country because mine that's a mobile near Jumaya. It's a security threat.
Yeah, that was it. I refer any ATF, that was it. Any wagon our comfort napkin. Not the question about what me person me bisa, and I must some person me count on this NAPCO issue. The reason why I'm beside the truth behind NAPCO no, yeah, because nowadays me who say. Youth Employment Agency, me who say a year for the past 1 year. Me who say
it's not true.
A year
it's not true.
Okay, and
because
that's what I mean.
No,
me who say
yes. But Okoha, models are running. It is still running. Community policing, they are still employing.
What's the last time we employment?
This year, my employment.
This year.
Yes, I'm on Krofako training.
Now every year behind this time, now every year behind no yes.
What's every year be no yes. And this will be some New York general. So now who refer to NDC time? In many NDC meeting.
Yeah. Yo, after 4 years for you better must see. The area Mr. Oku Ekaye concerned the Napco and I'm ready, Mutino. And Tienia PK to Siafa. PK to Siafa. Hey, Master,
PK Chingam. PK Chingam.
Was he a friend PK for short? Mr. PK to Siafa. If I'm collected your name, Mama Osodiako.
Mecha utifo ni nyina menua no mepeni no okasa no abonapko no or yeze o say graduate for no who we school they don't have a job napko assembly no mo kan nyina no is just the same as the friend is the YEA.
That's how you understand it.
Youth Employment Agency. That is even backed by a legislative instrument. But NAPCO, there is no any legislative instrument. I didn't know target your 2018, 2019, 2020. That program now be and to clearly say program no is just targeting on votes. It can simply be described as vote buying policy.
Wow.
Vote buying policy. How can you say we are conducting the election in 2020 and now the program are by in 2018, 2019, 2020? That is the end. Program no cry any exit strategy because you see they are not experienced. And now YEA models the model is called youth entrepreneurship. NAPCO we can easily fall under models with industrial attachments. Also one experience and look at the young minister you tag me to tag me the internal and come on some issue statement say the children that they are training and yes some are competent they are competent but you want to promise you every day we necessary school and over 1,500 and above who see on Hill Ghana under Hill Ghana next one on employed no matter half pay. Where employment and now Sissinipano when employment.
Before now, question, you see, what do you call it? Have
and I make us say, YEA, no, youth employment, 2%. I didn't know program, no, but it's not back any legislative instrument and executive instrument. Because we see so many programs that does not be backed by those winners, and her dream is open for what abuse and corruption.
Wow.
It's open for abuse and corruption, and it can simply be described as vote buying policy because who catch them say YEA that have a legislative instrument backing it. You cannot go and employ the people under where your friend say youth in what industrial attachment. And you know what that they will face into. See entrepreneurship no and control the whole world. And 2% will be and was so one opportunity. Create environment, never no coincidence or we school, but I establishing a Juma, no I employee will be. And in the NDCA, you entrepreneurship. One of them in Patri. And yes, after Juma, after 2020, NPP after election 2020, that program now be you know. Now because exit plan there the NAPCO program also. Exit plan there is no any legislative instrument. So program now is just what a political give me for votes.
That's great.
2020. So I say Juma in Ghana I move from a unemployed youth association. And then no credit because the YEA was operating fully and every year we make sure they apply more than even the 10,000 or the 1,000 that they are talking about that the people have applied for in NAPCO. Even the NAPCO no quite discrimination because they won't call university and polytechnic and before party say when you youth be man. Who you youth? And I created because a social democracy. I created YEA.
You created YEA.
Oh, but it was our time that the act was passed in Parliament 2015. The act was passed in Parliament in 2015.
YEA.
What act? I know. I mean the YEA was the act was 887. At the Youth Employment Act.
It was an amendment act. YEA came from Kufuor time.
But it was not under the NPP and it was backed by a legislative instrument. And today, Becker said NAPCO, who buy an uncle creating NAPCO, who be paid imagine 1,005 and above, Musu command 700. Dear Ben of Baba for trainers, Nekusway, and registeredness. Also, no doing, only 700 Ghana say you are creating job. Where you creating job, Anna? And you're creating job. It's not creating job.
Okay.
You are rather using the mind of the people for your political interest.
Okay.
If you wanted to create a job, you have to go back to what? Why everyone was so called everyone backed by what? A legislative instrument, name one law, name Brano, name tomorrow. Sisi Ahai is not going on Kano, and Mraga no more guide you. It's created under the office of the president. Mr. Say it's created under the office of the president.
Okay.
And then back in the whole thing. What is their exit strategy behind you? And the project it's just a project to what? For vote buying.
For vote buying.
Simple as that. And then why say because of that I didn't know why you now have youth in entrepreneurship, youth in trades and education, community teaching assistant, youth in community and health assistant, and it involves a youth. We are branch here, we are Ghana. Oh, social democrats no ideology no, we don't discriminate. We would discriminate against youth no idea or go school or go tertiary. One would get me passion. And winning, you know, because the only patron who go around incompetency, we super DNA, dear part of what me promises the brewing of winning in a napco, we can be a napco, is already existing, and didn't almost and it didn't almost from us are discriminating. Now is still a woody bay. As a need first night existence, and then first it was YEA. Oh, okay. And it was even backed by the legislative instruments. And to know that we stand is solid. Everything Beguno and the same thing Beguno. Okay. For the generations to benefit, we know it cannot continue. Your phone at you, Edwards. Yeah, said that I make an Minia PK, send over one in short. Now I can not all kind something about that's youth employment. Is it agency or authority? It's a youth employment agency. Youth employment because of the legislative instrument that is backing it. But I'm not talking about looking at the legislative. It's very important. It's not about the law that by with the my brother PK. Oh, Minia, where's our we are free by? We pass your trouble. And he said, what I know about say first, why if one coordinators looking at salary, I know Enya and neck Omunya the same salary. Oshare or what it is as bar now, and my info will be away even access in the crowd, no access to this YEA, but it's not about that. The question maybe someone said, a people has been good to Ghanaians, you have implemented free SHS. A lot of Ghanaians are going to free SHS. My brother, let me talk, please. A lot of people are going for this free SHS. A lot of people are coming out on we school. A dear Jumano because say that go about for in 10,000, that's 100,000. 100,000. Some of we are the next year from Mumbai school from SHS about Umunya Dumania, or Mumbai from SS Abba, so Eddie Abano, HND diploma. Because this is 3 years. No. 3 years. So 3 years. You see, this is a 3 years. The 3 years. So I'm more ban after the 3 years. And what are they going to do? Anybody going to that is me. The problem and my many war this NAPO. The NAPO is a good policy. Everybody, whether MPP and CCPP, everybody is being benefiting. That one there is no. I won't say it's not good. It's very good the NAPO. But maybe problem with the NAPO is this 3 years contract I'm for be sign. This after 3 years, one. I'm going to be SHS. I'm going to this 3 years, At the same time, I'm going to be from Legon, UDS, and after the 3 years. And to someone said, this NAPO is it going to help Ghanaians? And I said, a campaign promise be making a say, I'm say I'm passing yeah. Mr. What's your take about
what beside you? Let me tell you. Am I idea why ye buying? Okay, especially one model and a community policing. It was 2 years. Okay, so 2 years. That doesn't mean say you are engaging for this year. The following year we are not going to engage them. So you are getting it wrong. Academic year, how many years? 3 years. It means that every year there is another academic year. No, the program, the duration. I can do worse than what you are doing. So please, the point now, the point I want to say, secondary education as at now how many years?
3 years.
Does it mean say this year Quran start here 3 years and say better fan Quran?
Dabi, and we are talking about school.
No. It's a question. Yesterday, community policing at the YE. Now you're 2 years. Okay, but it means that every year, Biano, we were engaging people. Into the first batch, more time, more duration, 3 years. Next year, another people will be engaged 3 years. So it's a continuous something. Okay, it's a continuous something. So what the yes 3 years in 3 years in the pen as that was you are missing the mark. Me say I had 3 years. The duration is 3 years. Who can how many years?
Now me put any school anywhere.
No, you don't understand it. The duration for the program is 3 years. The duration, school. How many years are the school? Every year, we are
talking about Ghana policy.
Massa,
and Ghanaians understand.
That is how you understood it. And you think I was one of them have met Chrom. And the winning Mundia, my main Chrom said, I didn't know a dear ban. This is just the beginning. The time frame every year, Biano, Ebiano. 3 years. And so this batch, you engage more. Motem, I'm on the bay for 3 years. Next year, another batch will be engaged for 3 years.
That wasn't what NAPO coordinator or whatever said. And the father didn't even see that. Said next year, or say 3 years contract. And which means that NAPO run till 2020.
After elections,
that's how you understood it.
Okay.
I don't think I communicators. You always say a bit church.
But when you
are misunderstanding the whole concept. Okay. Police. Okay, like police. Every year be a police for one microphone of our military. Every year be a and in NAPCO so babet nasi. That is why that is why you always about and a blueprint way and a way and today it is running. Okay, we are implementing. You can sit there and talk, but let me also say, if it is a vote buying machinery, then until Okanque Sat youth organizer, are you beneficiary of NAPO? Or better about my
what should I say beneficiary?
I don't have the video. Don't have the pictures
in a person of.
In a person of what? I don't come
in a person.
Mommy in the picture, you know.
I mean, just say in the person of.
They did who hear me, but mommy in the picture, you know.
So, I only need the other.
Oh, daddy, and the Nepal whom in a room.
It's not true.
So how do you know say? Okay, you know. When it comes to run up, I'll let you show it to the table. Indeed, send a question now. Send your more about Nago and no, but men of the Ghana body, may say, many or more may cited yet. That's what I'm talking about. Because one, maybe who existing work and decide because one company be our industry, what the national service personnel are to one. What's also the NAPO echo? In the first place, have you even said what be a company might bet me accommodates the banana? Be that company. There's some company in existence. We hear some small amount of money to expand it and then accommodate more people. So, but you also be that factory, but still answer almost where the NAPO add demand for the alcohol. How does that going to hold? In the first place, Makamadi in Ghana for the Ombede, because Ghana, one people they are very good when it comes to these policies.